Hey Northville, Michigan. Locked out or need a locksmith you can trust? Welcome to Immediately Locksmith, your dependable, local locksmith service in Northville. There are over 1,000 incidents in Northville, Michigan, per year. More and more individuals are victims of a break-in and are entirely devastated by such incidents. You will need to restore your protection for such situations, not just to check what was taken and the damage was done, but to upgrade your security for the future. Choose Immediately Locksmith for prompt, expert services. Ready to experience hassle-free locksmith solutions? Call us now at 313 329 6063 or visit our website at www.immediatellylocksmith.com.